Nangamalari, welcome to Ask Aunty. Aunty Munya, the question for today is, can you explain the meaning of the term shame in Aboriginal culture?
Yeah, Carla, that's a little difficult one because it doesn't bear the same meaning as it does in standard Australian English or a dictionary definition. But it usually refers to the breaking of a cultural taboo or norm in Aboriginal society, one where people feel embarrassed. And there's also a relationship with self-promotion or aggrandizement. And so people feel, oh, that's shame, true God, shame job. So it's a common feeling among Indigenous people, but that's the closest I can come to describing what it means.
Yeah, I know. That explains why nieces, when I've sprung it on them and said, oh, can you get up and talk about this? And they've gone, oh, shame job, Auntie.
Shame job.
That self-promotion thing as well.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So,
thanks, Aunty Munya.
Hopefully that clears it up a little for you.
Ask Aunty.
Yeah. In Ridicule Corner.